Connect Prestashop to Google Shopping and boost sales effortlessly. Quick setup to connect Prestashop with Google Shopping. Auto-sync products to Google Merchant Center, easy feed creation and optimization. Faster approval of product listings. Manage everything from the Prestashop dashboard. Real-time performance tracking saves time with full automation. Boosts product visibility and sales. Module understanding video of Google Shopping module. And we are proceeding further with the same. Here first, we have to install the module. So to install the module, we have to click on Upload a Module button. It will show you a pop-up like this here. You have to click on Select File button. When you will click on it, you will be redirected to the local, where you have to select the module file and upload it here once the installation is complete. It will show a message like this. The module installed, you have to refresh the page to find the module on your backend here. The module will be displayed on the right-left side menu of the page, and the module will be in the disabled state by default. So you have to click on the channel setting, connection. Setting page first, you have to enable in case you wanted to automatically upload the feed on Google, in case you want the feed to be uploaded by API, so you need to make it disabled. And then once you have enabled it, then you have to connect the module with the Google Shopping. So you have to configure all the required details for the same. We have given the steps below also a video so that you can create the account. And a required key should be uploaded here. Once you have the correct key of your store, you have to click on Save so that the field is saved. Once the details are saved, you have found a message that the general setting have been saved successfully. Then you have to click on the Connect Module Connect button. It will connect the module with the Google Shopping. And once you have given all the permissions, it will show a message like Token has been saved. Please refresh the module configuration page and upload the product. So you have to refresh the general setting page. Then it will show the Connect button into Disconnect. That shows that a module has been connected. Now then you have to click on General Setting page on the General Setting page. First, we have Enable the plugin. When you will click on it, it will enable the plugin for your store. Now the image of the size. This is the options that we have given the images that product that are going to be uploaded on the Google Shopping will have the image size as same as you will configure here in case you want a default home size images of the product that are uploaded. So it will take that same. And in case you have taken the last default. So it will take the same when the images have been uploaded of the products. Next is exclude the product out of stock products here. If you enable this toggle, it will not allow the products to go on the Google Shopping when they are being synced because they are out of stock. Then we are having exclude product with the price less than we have entered, the amount that below that amount of product are not going to be synced on Google Shopping. Next, we are having exclude product as does not have engine or UPC number. If you have enabled it, it will not allow those product to be synced on Google Shopping that do not have these required fields. Next is whether sync the GTI into the Google. In case you want to be synced, then you have to enable it next. We have given the parameter details, UTM campaign parameter, UTM source parameter, and UTM medium parameter that will help you to manage the URL of your products. Next, we are having select the default language. That language is going to be synced on the Google Shopping. So we have given the details and we have clicked on saved. Once you have clicked on save button, it will show you a message that the configuration has been saved successfully. Next, we are having a profile tab. So first, it will allow you to configure the Google categories. So you have to click on import button so that the Google categories could get imported. So once you click on import button, it will go on another page and run the form. Once the categories are synced, it will show a success message like the cron executed successfully. You have to back on the page, refresh that page, and you will find the message. The product of those profile will not be synced on Google, of which the feeds is not created. So kindly ensure to create the feed of each profile under the Feed Management tab, which is here. So now, first you have to create a profile. You can click on Add New Profile. Also, a plus button is given to go on the profile creation page. So the profile page will be opened, and you have to fill the details. As soon as you will click on the Profile Management tab, you will have a form to create a profile here. You have to choose the country that is valid for the Google Shopping next. You have to select the language that is going to upload on the Google Shopping. With the products, then you have to select the currency, which is related to the country that you have selected earlier in the profile title. You have to enter the title name and here the Google Shopping and categories that we have imported while creating the profile. So you have to select the Google category on which your products is going to be uploaded. Click Confirm so that the categories are confirmed. Next, we are having the store categories here. you have to select the category that is in which the products are mapped and that products need to be go on the Google Shopping, then the GTI. And if you have mapped with your products, you have to select which GTI and details you want to get mapped with the Google Shopping in case none of them you want. Then you can keep it in preference, the method you have to select through which the Google Shopping products are going to sync through feed or through API if you have enabled the feed on the connection setting tab that we have shown. If this is enabled, then you can select the feed management, as there will be only one option of the API. So right now we have selected the feed. Then we are having the product type. If it is a standard or virtual best, you have to fill the product details, the condition of product, the promotion ID, the material, the pattern, which the product has all the product details I need to be mentioned here. Then you have to select the product shipping, which is going to be used for Google Shopping. Then we are having the Google address and click on save. Once you will click on save, the profile will get saved and it will be listed in the table format. And you will have a message like profile has been added successfully. Then you have to create the feed so that the product could be synced on the Google Shopping. You have to create a new feed by clicking on the button, select the profile, give the feed name, the schedule time, in case you want your feed to be scheduled on daily basis, weekly basis, or a monthly basis. Accordingly, you have to select the time. If you have selected the daily, then you can choose it it should be synced in hours. It should be synced in week. Then accordingly, you have selected and click on save. Then on the Google Shopping, you have to go on product listing, click on local sync so that the products that you have selected will be listed in the listing, and then you have to click on sync products so that these products will go on. Then once you have clicked on sync product, the product will be synced and it will show you the listing ID here. Once they are listed, in case you have completed all the merchant details, then the Fear tab, we are having a synchronization where we have given all the crones and you can check the setup as well. Then we are having the audit log where you will find the logs of all the activities done. So this is how the Google Shopping module works on a Prestashop store of Knowband. Thank you.